Hey guys, what's going on? Hey, wanted to do an unboxing of something that just showed up a little bit ago. Very, very cool. This is the first one of these from JR Salvinos JR Models. They're a newer American-made model company and do mostly it's all race car oriented stuff. And this is the first kit of the month that I've got, and definitely looking forward to it. I did just cut the tape just to make it easy, but I have not opened this up yet. And let's see what we got. Shane Van Gisbergen, 2023 Chevrolet Camaro. That is awesome. Right there. Made in the USA. Sweet. Man, that's cool. They always send out extra decals too. So this is going to be pretty cool because they have decals for Ross Chastain's car. Oh wow, man! Look at the decals. Look at the metal reflection on those. Wow. Those are from one of Ross Chastain's cars. Very cool. Here are, let me get out the rest of the decals here. Here's the sponsor decals for it. Oops, take that back. Those are the Chevrolet decals. The nose, the window, the trim pieces, side skirts, tail lights. Cool. And then this is the Onyx Homes iFly sponsor decals to go with that. Very cool. Sweet sticker here. Proud member of the Builders Club, Salvinos JR Models. Very, very cool. Man, this is cool. And Shane. For any of you guys that don't know, Shane is a driver over in the Australian Supercar Series, V8 Supercar Series, and he came over to do a one-off race in this car for Trackhouse racing, and it was the Chicago road course race this year, and he won it. First time ever in a NASCAR Cup car, he won it against all NASCAR's big boys. I mean, even Chase Elliott said he was just way above what we were. You know, he said, we got schooled. And that is just too cool, I tell you. But, like I said, this is my first Salvino's JR model. Ooh, I love that Bobby Allison car. I built that years and years ago. I had a Buick Regal like that years ago, until I was stupid and I sold it. Had to. One of those regret sells, but I'm going to unbox this here real quick. I'm trying to do this video kind of quick because also doing the pre-race for the Xfinity Series race at Homestead, which Dale Jr. is driving in. So kind of trying to kill two birds with one stone, and that probably isn't going to work all that well, but oh well, what do you do? Awesome. Yeah, like I said, I've always wanted to try these out, boys. Tight fitting box, boy. Come on, baby. There it goes. Wow, very nice. Now these are the next gen, the new current cars. So That is neat. There's your hood. Some roll bar and interior pieces. Spoiler. Nice. The body. Boy, look at that blue. That's cool. They say you don't even have to paint these. Which I may do that. I may just leave it the blue and put the decals on it and clear coat it. We'll see. There's your tires. Oh man, those tires are nice. Very cool. Yeah, I'm definitely digging this. Hold on a second here, guys. Get the big bag out. Oh, there's all your clear pieces. Very cool. Here are decals for this one, which are there again. More of the Camaro. Body decals, grill decals, etc. Awesome. Get the decal sheet out without screwing it up. Oh wow. That 91 is beautiful. Look at that metallic reflection. Wow, so cool. JR Salvinos, you guys have definitely done good. Salvinos JR, I'm really impressed. Very impressed. Oops. Very cool though. Dropping everything here. My place here is a disaster. But yeah, let me see here. Try to cut into these without cutting any limbs off. Damaging the model, more importantly. Limbs grow back. If I cut one off, they grow back, right? Oh wait, I'm not a lizard. Oh, good. Little Miss Voodoo trying to talk to me at the same time. Oh, wow. These are neat. Hang on, guys. I'm going to put you down for 1 second so I can make a good cut here and get this plastic off. Okay, now back to our regularly scheduled programming. Voodoo? No. Wow. Very cool. Wheel wells. Window net, oil pan. Imagine it's some kind of duct work. You don't know. You've never worked on a race car. There's your grill, your pedals. Awesome. There's the underside. The underside pan. Oh, your racing seat. Different stuff that I'm not really sure what all is on it. Here. And your metallic pieces. Very, very cool. God, look at the detail on those brakes. Very cool. Framing. Will you stop, please? I'll feed you in a minute. Somebody's hungry. And she's letting me know. Motor parts. Very cool. Will you stop, please? Just a minute. Gosh, I tell you. So this guy had the last word. Oh, very nice. The cage pieces, the rear with the firewall. So nice. All this stuff's molded in color. I mean, this is what color the actual chassis are and stuff. So, pretty neat. There's your upper halo, top cage. Man, your door bars. Yeah, now the door bars are got the plate across the outside of them now. After the deal with Kyle Larson, they put the intrusion piece in there to keep it from coming apart like it did. I can't believe his door bars collapsed like that. I've never seen a race car with door bars collapse. That's very scary, but that's very cool, guys. It's got the fire bottles and different things. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. What do you think? You like it? You think? Cool? I think I got her approval. Very cool, guys. Yeah, then the instruction manual. Like I said, I've never built one of these before. So, man, this manual, it's even like shiny paper. Like, good quality paper. Wow. Holy Toledo. Parts going into the first part of the cage. And then your rear reinforcements. Back of the cage, fuel cell. Firewall. Your rear differential. Nice. And then goes into your motor build. So cool. I'll tell you what, those guys over there at Salvinos, they definitely did a hell of a job. I mean, this is just first class, great quality stuff. I mean, and it even tells you in there, like, make sure all cage parts are glued very tightly against the under tray. I mean, it tells you different things that I've never seen in other model kits. Wow. Unreal. Guys, I'll tell you, this is just, I'm kind of in amazement. And then it's got your decal placement for being Shane's car. Awesome. All right, guys. Well, hey, I'm going to let you go. I want to get back to the race here and get this out. But I'll tell you what, this is definitely very, very awesome. So if you guys haven't checked out Salvinos JR Models yet, definitely look them up. They've got all kinds of really cool racing kits, and yeah, they're definitely worth checking out. Thanks, guys. Take care. Hope you're all doing well, and stay safe out there, guys. See ya. Bye.